In this video, we are going to look at Grifform shower pan's color matching strainer option. When selecting a color matching strainer, this will correlate back to the previously selected drain variation. Our color matching strainers are built to work with your shower pan and built to whatever color you have previously chosen for your shower pan. In this example, you can see a Grifform color matching strainer side by side with a possible standard drain strainer you might end up selecting later on. The color matching strainer option is not an option you need to worry about if you have selected a shower pan with a trench drain. This is because the cover cutouts of a trench drain are built by default to work with the floor and cover up this larger alternative of a drain. If you are looking for a drain cover that does not stand out like most common or brass steel covers, selecting a color matching strainer could be the right choice for you.